Hi, I'm Sumit and today I'm here to discuss about Gua Sha. What is a Gua Sha and why is this important? So Gua Sha is made of stones. It is an instrument that originated in China, and basically it is to give massage in all parts of the body. You can use this along with your regular hand massage or fingers massage. You can use this as well, and this gives you a very firm massage wherever used, and it is used to relieve pain and help you with lymphatic drainage in various parts of your body. So our lymphatic system is basically the toxin system of our body, and it runs parallelly to the blood circulatory system, and that is where all the toxins come out. So your urine, your sweat, they are part of the lymphatic drainage system. But sometimes the system does not work properly, and there is swelling and retention in the body, and you see things like puffy eyes, swelling under the eyes, and swelling on hands and feet. That basically means the lymphatic drainage system is not working optimally. So what can you do? One thing is this, using Gua Sha to give yourself a massage and ensuring that all the lymphatic fluids are drained from your lymphatic drainage nodes. On the face, how you use it is basically you start in the middle of the face. You can either start from the jawline or you can start from the forehead. I like starting from the top and coming to the neck. You can also do it the other way. And basically you hold it like this, the long side on the face, and use this to take all the fluids and bring them to the side of the ear. So you start first on the forehead, 5 times like this, and whatever exercise you do on one side, you have to do the same exercise on the other side as well. 5 times here. Then you use this portion for this area, for the eyebrows. Hold it like this, and 5 times, again one side. Now we're taking all the excess fluid from our eyes, from our eyelids, and moving it towards the side of the ear. Similarly the other side. Now again we move to this side, and from the cheeks, all the excessive fluid, cheeks and under eyes, we're taking all the excessive fluids again to the side of the ear. Now the other side. Jaw. Again we move to this side for the jaw. So wherever there is blockage, whichever part of the face, you will feel that that part will hurt slightly when you are doing this. And always do it gently. Don't do it very firmly, because our facial skin is very delicate as compared to the rest of the body. Now that from all the areas of the face you've got the liquids to the side of the ears, so now both, now the liquids have come here. Now from here we are going to now bring them to the neck. And then from the neck to the underarm area where there is lymphatic drainage. So we are supposed to sweat from the underarms. It is never a good idea to use talcum powders or deodorants or perfumes in the underarm area. You are supposed to sweat it out from there, and if you don't sweat properly, then all the toxins which are supposed to come out, they affect the nearest organ, which is our breast. A lot of breast cancer happens because you keep your underarms clogged. So please don't do that. So now all the water that was on the face, from the neck area, I'm now bringing it, and now It's best to do it, you know, when you're in the bathroom, just before a shower, when you don't have your clothes on. So it's like, you know, smooth when you're taking it to the underarm area. So all the liquids now need to be taken from here to the underarm area. So likewise, you do this, it hardly takes 3 to 5 minutes for the face. You use this on a daily basis, and you do this for a month. You will see that your face has toned, and your skin is looking much nicer, much firmer, much better. It also boosts collagen production. So do try it out, try it for a month at least, and do share whatever visible changes you see on your skin after using the Gua Sha. Thank you.